has always been a crucial part of human expression and communication. From the earliest cave paintings to the intricate manuscripts of the Middle Ages, humans have always sought ways to visually convey their ideas and stories. But let's focus on the more recent past. Remember the days of sketching by hand, cutting and pasting physical elements? Designers would spend hours, if not days, perfecting their layouts with rulers, compasses, and other manual tools. Drafting tables were the heart of the design process, cluttered with pencils, erasers, and various other instruments. It was a meticulous and time-consuming process, but it was also a labor of love. Yeah, graphic design has come a long way. The transition from manual to digital was a monumental shift. It wasn't just about speeding up the process, it was about opening up new possibilities. Suddenly, designers could experiment more freely, make changes without starting from scratch, and explore a wider range of styles and techniques. Then came the digital revolution. Computers became the designer's best friend, with software like Photoshop and Illustrator changing the game. These tools allowed for unprecedented precision and flexibility. Designers could now manipulate images, create complex vector graphics, and experiment with typography in ways that were previously unimaginable. The 90s were a time of rapid innovation, with new software and hardware constantly pushing the boundaries of what was possible. We went from painstaking manual labor to having a whole suite of digital tools at our fingertips. It was a game changer. The ability to undo mistakes, work in layers, and use a vast array of digital brushes and effects transformed the design process. Designers could now work faster and more efficiently, and the quality of their work improved dramatically. The digital age also brought about new forms of collaboration, with designers able to share their work and get feedback in real time. But hold on, because things didn't stop there. Fast forward to today, and we're talking about AI tools like Midjourney and Canva that are making design easier than ever. These tools leverage artificial intelligence to automate many aspects of the design process, from generating layouts to selecting color schemes. They can even suggest design elements based on the content you're working with, making it easier than ever to create professional quality designs. I'm talking drag and drop interfaces, AI-powered templates, and the ability to generate countless design variations with a single click. These innovations have democratized design, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a complete beginner, you can now create stunning designs with ease. The barriers to entry have been lowered, and the possibilities are endless. It's mind-blowing how accessible design has become. Today, anyone with a computer or even a smartphone can create beautiful, professional quality designs. The tools are more powerful and user-friendly than ever, and the resources available to designers are virtually limitless. From online tutorials to vast libraries of templates and assets, the support system for designers has never been stronger. The evolution of design tools has not only transformed the way we create, but also the way we think about design. It's an exciting time to be a designer, with new technologies and possibilities emerging every day.
Okay, so we've got these crazy powerful AI design tools, but here's the million-dollar question. Are these advancements a blessing or a curse for graphic designers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Chapter 3. The AI Advantage. First, let's talk about the pros of AI in graphic design. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach creative tasks, making them more accessible, efficient, and innovative than ever before. One of the biggest advantages is accessibility. AI tools are democratizing design, allowing people from all walks of life to create professional quality graphics without needing extensive training or experience. This means that whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete novice, you can produce stunning visuals with ease. Tools like Adobe Firefly and NVIDIA AI are breaking down barriers, making design possible for everyone. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces and powerful features that simplify the design process, enabling users to focus on their creative vision rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Small businesses, startups, and individuals with zero design background can now create stunning visuals without breaking the bank or spending years learning complex software. This is particularly beneficial for entrepreneurs and small business owners who need to produce high-quality marketing materials but may not have the budget to hire professional designers. It's like having a personal design assistant available 24/7. AI tools are always ready to help, Whether you're working late at night or early in the morning, they can handle repetitive tasks, generate ideas, and even provide feedback on your designs, making the creative process more efficient and enjoyable. Need a logo for your new blog? AI's got you covered. With just a few clicks, you can generate multiple logo options tailored to your brand's identity. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you have a variety of choices to pick from, each designed to make your brand stand out. Want to create an eye-catching Instagram post? AI can whip that up in seconds. Social media is all about capturing attention quickly, and AI tools are perfect for this. They can generate visually appealing posts that are optimized for engagement, helping you grow your online presence effortlessly. And the best part? It's constantly learning and improving, which means the possibilities are pretty much endless. As AI technology advances, these tools become more sophisticated, offering new features and capabilities that push the boundaries of what's possible in design. This continuous evolution ensures that users always have access to the latest and greatest in design technology, keeping their work fresh and innovative. Moreover, AI is not just limited to digital design, it's also making waves in print media, product design, and even fashion. Designers can now experiment with AI-generated patterns, textures, and layouts, bringing a new level of creativity to their work. This cross-disciplinary application of AI opens up a world of possibilities, allowing designers to explore new mediums and techniques. Educational institutions are also embracing AI in their curricula, preparing the next generation of designers to leverage these powerful tools. Workshops, courses, and training programs are being developed to teach students how to integrate AI into their design processes, ensuring they are well-equipped for the future of the industry. Competitions and exhibitions are showcasing the incredible potential of AI in design, highlighting innovative projects and inspiring others to explore this exciting field. These events not only celebrate the achievements of AI-driven design, but also foster a community of creatives who are passionate about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the professional world, AI is transforming client interactions and project workflows. Designers can present AI-generated concepts to clients, receive instant feedback, and make real-time adjustments. This dynamic approach enhances collaboration and ensures that the final product meets the client's vision and expectations. The versatility of AI design tools means they can be used across different devices, from desktops to tablets to smartphones. This flexibility allows designers to work on the go, making it easier to stay productive and creative no matter where they are. Voice-activated AI design tools are also emerging, offering a hands-free approach to creativity. Designers can use voice commands to navigate software, generate designs, and make edits, further streamlining the creative process and making it more accessible to those with different needs and preferences. Augmented reality, AR, is another exciting development in AI design. Designers can use AR to visualize their creations in real-world settings, providing a more immersive and interactive experience. This technology is particularly useful for product design, interior design, and architecture, where seeing a design in context can make a significant difference. AI-generated art is also gaining recognition in the art world, with galleries and exhibitions showcasing works created by AI. These pieces challenge traditional notions of creativity and authorship, sparking conversations about the role of technology in art and design. Data analytics is another area where AI is making a significant impact. AI design tools can analyze the performance of designs, providing insights into what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach helps designers make informed decisions, optimize their work, and achieve better results. Collaboration is also enhanced by AI, with many tools offering features that facilitate teamwork. Designers can work together in real time, share ideas, and provide feedback, all within the same platform. This collaborative environment fosters creativity and innovation, leading to more successful projects. Customization is key in design, and AI tools offer a high degree of flexibility. Designers can tweak AI-generated designs to suit their specific needs, ensuring that the final product is unique and tailored to their vision. This balance of automation and customization allows for both efficiency and creativity. Cloud integration is another advantage of AI design tools. Designers can access their work from anywhere, collaborate with team members across the globe, and ensure that their projects are always backed up and secure. This connectivity enhances productivity and allows for seamless collaboration. Finally, the user-friendly interfaces of AI design tools make them accessible to everyone. Whether you're a professional designer or just starting out, these tools are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. They provide suggestions, offer templates, and guide you through the design process, making it easier than ever to create beautiful, professional-quality designs. Multilingual support is another feature that makes AI design tools accessible to a global audience. Designers can work in their preferred language, and AI can even translate design elements, ensuring that their work resonates with diverse audiences. Accessibility features are also a priority, with AI tools being designed to accommodate users with different needs. Whether it's voice control, screen readers, or other assistive technologies, AI is making design more inclusive and ensuring that everyone can participate in the creative process. Sustainability is another area where AI is making a difference. AI design tools can suggest eco-friendly options, helping designers create sustainable designs that minimize environmental impact. This focus on sustainability is crucial as we move towards a more environmentally conscious future. Security is also a top priority, with AI tools offering robust features to protect your work. From encryption to secure cloud storage, these tools ensure that your designs are safe and your data is protected. Community support is another benefit of AI design tools. Many platforms offer forums, tutorials, and user groups where designers can share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other. This sense of community fosters collaboration and helps users get the most out of their AI tools. Regular updates ensure that AI design tools are always improving. Developers are constantly adding new features, fixing bugs, and enhancing performance, ensuring that users have access to the latest advancements in AI technology. Integration with other tools is another advantage of AI design software. Whether it's connecting with project management platforms, social media tools, or other design software, AI tools can seamlessly integrate into your existing workflow, making it easier to manage projects and collaborate with others. Personalization is key to a great user experience, and AI design tools offer a high degree of customization. Users can personalize their settings, preferences, and workflows, ensuring that the software adapts to their unique needs and enhances their creative process. Advanced features are also available for those who want to push the boundaries of design. From generative design to machine learning algorithms, AI tools offer cutting-edge capabilities that enable designers to explore new creative possibilities and achieve innovative results. User feedback is crucial for the continuous improvement of AI design tools. Developers actively seek input from users to understand their needs and preferences, ensuring that the software evolves in a way that benefits the design community. Industry partnerships are also driving innovation in AI design. Collaborations between AI companies and design firms are leading to the development of new tools and technologies that push the boundaries of what's possible in the creative industry. The future potential of AI in design is truly exciting. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative tools and features that will transform the way we create and interact with design. The possibilities are endless, and the future of design is brighter than ever with AI at the forefront.
Chapter 4. The Human Touch. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. In an era where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, the role of human designers is being questioned more than ever. The rise of artificial intelligence has brought about a significant shift in the design industry, leading many to wonder if the human touch is becoming obsolete. With AI handling basic design tasks, it's natural for designers to worry about their jobs. The fear of being replaced by machines is a common concern. However, it's important to understand that AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's designed to assist and enhance human capabilities, not to take over entirely. But here's the thing, AI can't replicate human creativity. Creativity is an inherently human trait, born out of our experiences, emotions, and unique perspectives. It's the spark that ignites innovation and drives progress. While AI can analyze data and generate designs based on algorithms, it lacks the ability to think outside the box and come up with truly original ideas. It can't understand the nuances of human emotion, the subtle cues that influence our decisions and shape our perceptions. Emotions play a crucial role in design as they help create connections and evoke responses. A design that resonates on an emotional level can leave a lasting impact, something that AI-generated designs often lack. The power of storytelling is another area where human designers excel. Storytelling is an art that requires empathy, understanding, and the ability to weave narratives that captivate and engage. It's about more than just creating visually appealing designs. It's about crafting experiences that tell a story and convey a message. AI, with its data-driven approach, struggles to capture the essence of storytelling. Sure, AI can generate 1,000 logo variations in a minute, but it can't tell you which one will resonate with your target audience. It can't predict the emotional response a design will elicit or understand the cultural context that influences design choices. These are insights that come from human intuition and experience. Human designers bring a level of strategic thinking that AI simply can't match. They can conduct research, gather insights, and make informed decisions based on a deep understanding of their audience. They can adapt and iterate, responding to feedback and refining their designs to better meet the needs of their clients. The ability to evoke the right emotions through design is a skill that takes years to develop. It involves a deep understanding of color theory, composition, and the psychological impact of visual elements. Human designers can create designs that not only look good but also feel right, resonating with people on a deeper level. It can't come up with a brand story that connects with people on a deeper level. A brand story is more than just a marketing tool. It's the heart and soul of a brand. It's what makes a brand relatable and memorable. Human designers have the ability to create narratives that resonate with people, building emotional connections that foster loyalty and trust. That's where human designers come in. They bring a unique blend of creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking that AI simply can't replicate. They can see the bigger picture, understand the nuances, and create designs that truly connect with people. In the end, it's the human touch that makes all the difference.
Chapter 5. The Future of Design. The truth is, the role of a graphic designer is evolving. It's less about being a master of software and more about becoming a visual strategist. Designers are now problem solvers, storytellers, and brand guardians. They're the ones who bridge the gap between businesses and their audiences, using visuals to communicate, engage, and inspire. So, is graphic design dead? Absolutely not. It's changing, yes, but it's far from over. What do you think?
So, is graphic design dead? Absolutely not. It's changing, yes, but it's far from over. What do you think? Is AI a friend or foe to designers? Share your views in the comments below.
In the end, graphic design is about creativity and problem solving. As long as humans have stories to tell and problems to solve, there will always be a need for designers.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, click the link on the left side of your screen to check out my new channel. It's packed with amazing content you won't want to miss. See you there.